Welcome to She Codes. She Codes is a vlog series of Perfect, where we aim to bring out the voice of super talented female techies. And today, we have with us a very talented Ms. Srishti Verma, who is working as a software developer with Reliance Jio. Welcome, Srishti. How are you?
Thank you. I'm very much good. And first of all, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity for expressing my views, and not only me, for many women engineers and techies who want to express their views.
All right, our pleasure. So, Srishti, tell me about yourself and your journey.
Yeah, actually, I joined Jio as a GET, Graduate Engineer Trainee, in 2017. And in September, I will be completing my 3 years. And about my journey, my personal as well as professional journey has been very great. Very supportive managers, team members, and my family have always supported me regarding this. See, I am basically working in Gurgaon, but my main team members are in Bangalore and Mumbai. But I have never felt that they are so much away or there is any problem with my work. They are always just a click away, and they are always available to help me, and they always push me to do new work. So my team member and my managers are always supportive.
That's really nice to hear that. So you're working with GeoMart. I heard about it. What exactly is GeoMart? What are they doing? What's your take on that?
Yeah. GeoMart is basically an online grocery delivery service.
Okay.
Initially, it was in pilot testing as in Mumbai, but a few weeks back, we have launched in Pan India and in around 200 plus cities. And it's doing pretty well. People are giving very much good response to it.
That's really nice to hear, because Reliance is a trusted company, and groceries essentials are the need of the hour, especially post COVID. So,
Correct.
Srishti, as a developer, what are the things you would recommend while writing codes?
See, I think being in a product-based company, customer review, customer satisfaction is very much important. I think you would be also agreeing with me.
Right.
Because I don't think for a particular company, whether you are having your own YouTube channel or any website or any app, see,
Mm-hmm.
if the target audience is finding in difficulty what you have developed, then I think that you are somewhere lacking in your delivery. Because
That's right.
whenever let's talk about ourselves only. When we run an app, sometimes you get the app is not responding, camera is not responding, the images are taking loading time, so we are not using that app, we just close that app. So I think code stability is very important. I think code quality, stability. See, it's a particular topic. If we are lack of time, then this is a very big topic regarding development and code. So I think for today, everyone should write test cases. Test cases are very much important for our code. It's give our code more reliable. And I think, see, being as a developer, in the starting, what I do whenever I get a task, I just start coding. I never means break them into small pieces, or I think that what are the requirements. But as a developer, first you want to understand what are the requirements, why you are doing that task. See, I follow KISS. That is, keep it simple and short. Keep your code as simple. Your other people can understand your code easily. Automatically, your code will become clean, stable.
So, I completely agree with you, Srishti. Coming to our next point about women engineers, how has been your journey? How do you see female, especially working from home, and how do you believe our female techies can do?
See, first of all, I want to salute all the women who are doing not just household work, they are managing the company task also well. That means they are doing so great with both the attires. See, I want to do just a small activity who are watching this video, and you also just close your eyes and imagine three persons. One is the person who is driving the train, second a bus conductor, and a third person who is working in kitchen or cooking something. See, after a few seconds, I will assure you that 90% of the people will imagine male members for the first and second, like a man with a cap for the train driving, and a person in the brown attire with the bus conductor, and your mother or any female for in the kitchen. 90% will people have a same thinking, because it's in our mind that women are only limited for the kitchen household work. But I believe that women are engineers by their work, because what engineer, they do not need any special certification or any degree to be an engineer. See, what engineer does, he writes the code which is clean, reusable, and what are the tasks we can do to simplify things, and what are, and the same things a woman does. So I think women are doing just incredible, and my journey in Geo has been so good. I never feel any discrimination. Means I always are encouraged by my team leaders, team members to do the same task at what women, any men is other doing.
Being a woman, I completely agree to that. Uh, it's a challenging work for a female to manage both kitchen and the office, and they are doing brilliant job as always. So, Srishti, any special message do you have for graduates or fresh engineers who are going to start their journey in corporate
Yeah.
on startups?
Yes. See, first I want to give them that message that don't ever think that due to COVID that there will be less jobs, or you will be facing that you will be not getting any jobs. My own company has hired 100 plus. They have onboarded 100 fresh engineers in a single day through just through a video call. So companies are hiring. You just need to enhance your skills. Like, this is the best time you have got to learn more. So being in an IT industry, never stop learning, because in just seconds we have new technology, we have new things upcoming. So there are many companies who have launched new certifications. They are giving free courses, so you can join them, you can enhance your skills. Correct. See, I think you also, being as a new, you have launched, but learning, I think you will be agree with me that learning never stops.
Absolutely.
See, just keep in mind two things. Whenever you are doing coding, why we are doing it, and what will happen if we do not use it. Go to the GitHub or GitLab repository, and for a particular problem, you will get 100 of codes, 100 of solutions. So you can refer them. See, I just want to tell them that start learning new things. And see, computer and human mind, when these two combine, they can do $1 million company. So success only comes from the experience. No matter you fail 100 times, every error in your code will always teach you something.
Very, very insightful indeed. So, talking about you, what are your next big things that you're looking out for?
See, talking particularly about the Android or computer, see, I think the multi-platform framework is very much in demand. Means companies want a single code base, so that they can, means what I want to explain, that what is basically a cross-platform, will be having a single code, but with specific code I can have both Android app also and iOS app also. I don't need to write the different codes. So React Native and Flutter. Flutter is very much in demand. Means companies are hiring people who know Flutter.
Right.
See, yeah. So cross-platform is very much in demand for Android nowadays.
So you're gonna learn all of it and have a good hands-on experience.
Yeah,
And
I have started Kotlin, Flutter. I have all, because being a developer, you
Mhm.
always need to put your step forward and manage with the entire IT industry.
Right. Interesting, Srishti. In fact, I had a very insightful talk with you. Thank you so much for joining us here. It was wonderful speaking with you. I wish you all the best in your career, and yeah, keep learning.
Yeah, and I also want to thank you for bringing this platform. She Codes is just encouraging so many women engineers to come forward. They are giving so much to good women techies. And in the end, I want to tell just hashtag घर बैठेगा तो जीतेगा India and stay safe and She Codes rocks.
All right. Thank you so much, Srishti. It was lovely speaking with you.